Alright, so this morning when I walked outside, I noticed there was something wrong out here. I looked over here at my windmill, and first off, the tail was gone. The fan was still there, the blades, and the it was like laying on the ground. So, yeah, here it is. I brought it inside. Let's see what I got. So, it actually broke the weld off right there. Completely just snapped it off. It wasn't on there very good, just two little points. So I am going to try to fix this thing tonight. Try to grind that up a little bit. Yeah. And how come it's not focusing? Come on, you can focus. I know you can. Maybe not. Okay, well anyways. Hey, Tess says hi. Yeah, that's right. All right. Well, let's see if we can get this done. All right. All right, that should take care of it. Let's go put it on. Didn't have the right color paint, but that's okay. Let's do this. Just fix it right up. Remember, I am in the backyard. Put it back on. Yay. Oh, the sun's in my eyes. Okay. See if I can raise it up there. There we go. It is fixed. It is back in action. It's in good shape. I do need to work on this a little bit. It got a little bit wonky here on me. So I gotta fix this. I think my stakes didn't work. Yeah, something's moving on me. Oh, I gotta place another post or stick right there. And this one's not down as far enough. Oh, there we go. That helped it right there. Yeah. She be working. She be working again. Oh yeah. That's good. Windstorm yesterday blew it completely off. It broke the welds. right there. And yeah, the tail was laying on the ground. It was actually, you can kind of see the imprint maybe right there. It was laying. Anyways, we got her done, so on to the next project. Look at those onions. Wow, those guys. All right, next project is I got to mow my lawn a little bit down. It's a little too tall, so I got to try to mow it a little bit. Gonna see if I can get that done.